Welcome to this session. This session we have a problem which is testing on binomial theorem. So it's to find the middle term in the expansion of x power 3 plus 2 over x power 4 raised power 14. So solution, we know that a general term in the binomial expansion is given by t sub r plus 1 is equals to n combination r x raised power n minus r y power r, which is the same thing as n factorial over r factorial n minus r factorial, and then x raised power n minus r y power r. So remember, this is a binomial expansion of x plus y power n. So, and n for this case is 14. So when n is 14, then the middle term, the total number of terms is 15. Hence, middle term is the 14 plus 1 term, which is the 8th term. So when you say 8 times, so you mean that now we have to calculate T8. But remember, the formula is TR plus 1. So it means that R plus 1 is 8. So which means that R is 8 minus 1, which is 7. So this will be given by 14 is our n, R is 7, and then our, remember this equation we have is x power 3 plus 4 plus 2 over x power 4 raised power 14. So this is in the place of x, this is in the place of y. So it will be x power 3 raised power n minus r. So n minus r, we have 14 minus 7, and then 2x raised power minus 4 is our y raised power 7. So this is the same as 14 factorial divided by 7 factorial into 14 minus 7 factorial times x power 3, 14 minus 7, 7, 2x raised power minus 4 raised power 7. This is 14 factorial over 7 factorial times 7 factorial, and then times, this is the same as 2 raised power 7, and then this will be x raised power 3 times 7 is 21 times x raised power minus 4 times 7 is 28, minus 28. So 14 combination so I have 14 factorial. So 14 factorial, same as 14 times 14 times 13 times 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 factorial divided by 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 7 factorial 2 raised power 7 gives you 128, and then times x raised power 21 minus 28. And when you solve this, so this and this cancels out. 7 1 7 2 2 1 2 3 3 1 3 4 4 1 4 3 1 3 2 1 4. So we have 13 times 11 times 10 times 3 times 4 times 128. So we have 21 96 4 8 0 x raised power minus 7. So then there's a division by 5 here. So 21 is a 5. So 21 96 480 divide 5, which gives you 43 9296 x power minus 7. Or which can be written as 43 92 96 over x power 7. So that's how we solve that problem. And problem 2, compute the 10th term. The expansion of three x minus 2y or 13. So when you remember the general definition of a general term, you are in a better position to get the answer. So we know that TR plus 1 is given by C n r x power n minus r y power r for this expansion. So in this case, our x is 3x. Let's say A, B. Okay, then say this is A, this is B. So our A Let's write it properly. So a power n minus r, b power r for a plus b raised power n. So our a is 3x and b is minus 2y. Our n is 13. And when you say 10th term, so the question was to calculate the 10th term. So it means that we need T10. So equating this one to the general term TR plus 1, this implies 10 equals to R plus 1, which means R is 9. So 3x minus 2y power 13 will be the 10th term in. Tenth term in. This one is T9 plus 1 is C, N is 13, R is 9, which is equals then times our first value is 3x, you raised power 13 minus 9, and then minus 2y, you raised power 9. So we have 13 factorial. So T10 equals to 13 factorial over 9 factorial. 13 minus 9 factorial times 3x raised power, 13 minus 9 is 4, and then minus 2y raised power 9. So T10 is 13 factorial over 9 factorial. 13 minus 9 is 4 times 3 raised power 4 times x raised power 4 times minus 2 raised power 9 times y raised power 9. So this is 13 times 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 factorial divided by 9 factorial times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 3 power 4 times minus 2 power 9 times x power 4 y power 9. So we have this and this cancels out. 4, 1, 4, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 5. So this will give us 13 times 11 times 5 times 3 power 4 times minus 2 power 9 x power 4 y power 9. So 13 by 11 by 5 by 3 power 4 by minus 2 raised power 9 gives us negative 29, 65, 24, 80 x power 4 y power 9. So that is the solution to that given problem. So that's how we solve the 10th term in that particular question. Thank you.